Welcome to my channel, Alla's Yummy Food. I'm Alla, the host of this show, and love Dian. Today I want to show you one of my favorite recipes, and I know I say that probably about loads of them, but this is really hits the spot. It's crunchy, it's a meringue cookie with pistachios, so it's got that pistachio flavor. Oh my god guys, I love meringue and I love pistachios, so these are literally the bomb and you're gonna love them. I really hope you make these and let me know how amazing they were and that I was right. Of course that if you don't have any nut allergy, then you cannot make them, so you might as well switch off from this video. Otherwise, for those who can eat nuts, it's the best recipe ever. Yeah, they're really cute, very crunchy, a lot of flavor, and you can add them onto any cakes, onto any desserts, mix them with whipped cream, or you can have them on its own like I did. Pretty much ate the whole tray. I'm not even joking. I'm a little bit ashamed, but not too much. It's okay. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. It makes me so happy when you do subscribe, as I put a lot of effort into these videos. I edit them all, I film them all, and I hope you enjoy them all as well. So click the little bell, click the subscribe button, and you'll get notified every single time I upload the video. Now let's get started. In a clean bowl, add your egg whites. Make sure your bowl is nice and clean and doesn't have any fat, otherwise the meringue will not puff up and whip. And then start slowly whipping it just with nothing, on low speed, and then increase the speed as you go until you start to form nice soft peaks, just like that. And then we're going to add sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time, and then just keep whisking your meringue until it starts to sort of become more glossy, more fluffy, and just keep adding sugar a little bit at a time until your full sugar is completed. So this process will take 5 to 7 minutes depending on how much meringue you have and how powerful is your whisk and your stand mixer. Once it's all whisked, you can see that it becomes nice and white and glossy, and you can rub the meringue between your fingers to see if there's any sugar left. If there isn't, then it's ready. Guys and girls, I have my recipe on my website at alisyummyfood.com. You'll find full ingredients and also directions on how to make this. And also you'll be able to find loads of other recipes that I do for my channel. Just click through, click on a picture, and you'll be able to see the whole video with the directions and the full recipe in English and Russian languages. Take your pistachios and place them onto a chopping board and chop them into nice and fine pieces. So just like that. And then you want to add a little bit into your meringue and make sure they're nice and small. Then you want to add some green food coloring. Again, this is totally optional, but because it's pistachio, I wanted to add a little bit of color. And you want to mix that in and make sure it's nice and well and combined completely. Then you want to take your piping bag and place your meringue inside. You don't want to use any nozzles for this because we have nuts inside, so they're not going to come through, so just leave it open. And then just pipe them down into this sort of circle shape, but feel free to use any other shapes that you like, and the mixture comes out nice and easily. We're going to then top them up with more pistachio on top because it adds extra flavor, guys. You want to bake these for about 1 hour at 120 degrees Celsius or 250 Fahrenheit. Once they're done, they're super crunchy, super yummy. They have really strong pistachio flavor and I absolutely love them. They're so kind of gooey in the middle and you get those nuts that are roasted. You can't get any better than that. I really hope you try this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out all my other videos.